Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, July 2nd. This is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar CAD, we definitely did have a pretty nice counter trend move yesterday. Very nice move. And I do think that it would make sense on the dollar index to see a much bigger move up. And if we go up to the daily time frame, the trend is definitely still down on the daily, but we do have impulsive up and what looks like it could be corrective down. So if we do get a change of direction on the daily, then it possibly could even go up and take out the high wave four. But unfortunately, the trend is still down on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. What does that tell me? That tells me there's a chance that this just keeps on going down. So I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move up down right here. And if I see any kind of a one, two, three wave pattern to a Fibonacci retracement level, then an engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as a short. I could definitely picture it going up on the higher time frames, but really, we still need to kind of assume that anything we see to the upside could still very likely still be a pullback within a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.